In this video, we will be doing a proof involving complementary angles and substitution. This proof is about one line longer than you might be used to. As you get longer and longer proofs, you'll realize that these lines are just common sense. All the theorems are common sense. Keep that in mind. That being said, here we go. Angle QWE is a right angle. Angle QW is a right angle. Angle RWE is congruent to angle CXC. Angle RWE over here is congruent to angle CXZ here. Prove that angle QWR is complementary to angle CXC, QWR and CXC. So now let's go to the lines of the proof. Angle QWE is a right angle given. Angle RWE is congruent to angle CXZ given. We've already put that on the diagram. Now, angle RWE is complementary to angle QWR. Angle RWE is complementary to angle QWR. It's hard to put that on the diagram, so just remember these two angles are complementary. If angles add to a right angle, then they're complementary. Now, angle QWR is complementary to angle CXZ. Substitution. Let's call these angle 1, 2, and 3, just to make it easier to name. If angle 1 is complementary to angle 2, and angle 2 is complementary to angle 3, then angle 1 is complementary to angle 3. Just to make it more salient, let's say that this is a 20-degree angle and this is a 70-degree angle, which is complementary. If angle 2 is congruent to angle 3, that is 20 degrees also. And then angle 1 is complementary to angle 3 as well. It's easier to see with numbers, but you need to be able to do it in general. So if angle 1 is complementary to angle 2 and angle 2 is congruent to angle 3, then angle 1 is complementary to angle 3. Run through that about 4 or 5 times till you've got it. Again, everything in these proofs, once you get it, is strictly common sense.